Hey guys, let's check out Dr. Amar Singh Chandel, a marvelous author with holistic science expertise.
Welcome to my program called Better Body, Mind and Soul through Holistic Healing. Let me explain to you some salient points of holistic healing. See, we all fall ill. We consider it a regular part of our growing up. The fact of the matter is that 90% of the diseases are strictly avoidable. We don't fall sick, we invite sickness. For the simple reason that we do not know what lifestyle mistakes we are making. Human body is a machine like any other machine. It runs according to certain rules. If we obey the rules, everything works fine. If you disobey them, the body protests. And most of the diseases are there only because we break those rules. Unfortunately, we have colleges and schools and universities to teach us architecture or engineering or language or a million other subjects, but there is no training or no teaching about how to lead your life. How do we learn it? Well, I start eating whatever my family was eating when I was a young child, or whatever my society was eating. If I'm born in north of India, I would be going for my roti, dal and vegetable. If I was in South India, I would be very happy eating my dosa in Italy. If I were born in Italy, it will be pasta or something else. We never get a chance to understand the effect that it will have on our body. Since we are not aware what the rules are, we make silly mistakes and the damage is phenomenal. Our difficulty is that if we have a big disease, we feel that the reason also has to be big. Actually, even the biggest diseases are caused by very small reasons. Very tiny mistakes that we make, they lead to serious problems. Learning about them solves all those problems.
Here is the interview glimpse we have taken with him for our magazine, The Big Market Journal. First of all, we have asked him that kindly comment on the type of work you do as an established author who enjoys a worldwide acclaim and good reader audience. For this, he has answered that I'm a naturopathic doctor who cures patients without any medicines by enhancing the body's inherent powers to subdue virtually all those diseases which are related to faulty lifestyle, including blood pressure, cholesterol, thyroid, diabetes, obesity and heart complications. So I majorly write on health sciences. Next, we have asked him that what are your recent works, describe briefly. For this, he has answered that my latest book, Cure Yourself Naturally, is the essence of my teaching, though my magnum opus has been my best-selling book, Perfect Health in 20 Weeks. Next, we have asked him that kindly tell us about your next book. For this, he has answered that my next book in pipeline is on the 5 great elements Panch Mahabhut, air, water, earth, fire and ether, which when in sync give us almost infinite powers, but when disturbed cause mayhem in our lives. Lastly, we have asked him that is there something you would like to add and share with your audience at large, such as your work ethic, principle or motive. For this, he has answered that my advice to all readers is to depend on the fantastic defense mechanism of the human body than to fall back to the crutches of medicines. All medicines are meant only for acute diseases like TB, polio, smallpox, cholera and leprosy etc., which used to kill millions of people in past centuries. The usage of medicines for chronic diseases like BP, heart elements, diabetes and cholesterol is tantamount to wasting the talent of our fantastic doctors. So guys, we hope you have liked this awesome interview coverage, and in the end we wish that you find all the contact links of this amazing personality in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe us and kindly press the bell icon. Stay tuned.